call, wait, stop, call, wait, stop, call, wait.
Hey, everybody! What do we do when there's an anomaly at work?
Stop!
That's right! And after that, what do we do?
Call!
And finally...
Wait!
Yeah! That was a great show. It really was. Hey everybody, we're here to talk about Stop, Call, Wait. This is a process that's designed to keep you safe in the workplace. Whenever you detect anomalies in the workplace, you don't need to be a superhero.
What types of anomalies are we talking about?
We're talking about if a jib crane is not operating, do not begin manually lifting products on your own.
Oh.
Or if a pallet of materials is not properly secured with banding or plastic wrap, don't try to move the pallet before getting it wrapped.
Oh, but there's no wrapping material around. I don't want to cause a bunch of trouble just to get wrapping for this. I'm just gonna move it.
No, you should not. You have to stop.
Okay, I've stopped. Now what?
Now you call.
Call who?
Any member of the help chain, starting with the lead or supervisor, then manager, maintenance or facilities, and EHS.
Okay, let me find my team leader and supervisor.
A few moments later.
Okay, looks like he was busy supporting someone else. What do I do now?
Now you go up the help chain. Call or find your manager. They will radio someone to help.
Oh, hey, Manager Mike. I got a problem with these pallets here. They don't have enough plastic wrap. You know, it's no big deal. I'm just gonna go ahead and move it. Ah, gotcha. Okay, I'll do that. I'll be waiting here.
A few moments later.
Oh, great. Looks like I can get back to work. That wasn't much of an inconvenience.
Exactly. By following Stop, Call, Wait, you avoided a potentially harmful situation and the work carried on a short time later. So, when we see an anomaly at work, what do we do?
Stop!
And then what do we do?
Call!
And finally,